Hey guys! So, after a few hours of work non-stop, I would say, here is a new setup, the new tank here in Bavaria. Before it was Bavarian Bush. This time, let's see how it will evolve and maybe it will be more jungle instead of simple bush. As you can see, the setup is quite different. At the base, I was thinking about this. This is two different driftwood. As you can see, they are not connected. Two pieces. And I was thinking maybe I can put them parallel with each other and put three layers of plants this way. And in fact, trying to find back the setup that I treat and I define on a base on the table, I want a table here to find it back, so I position differently the driftwood up to come up with this shape, like a volcano, I would say. But this is a volcano a little bit divided, you see, like a scission, and I'm wondering if I can't do something quite interesting with this. So, by the way, as you can see, there are a lot of plants everywhere. As you can see, we don't have any sand. Instead of, we do have just soil everywhere. You can wonder how is it possible to do this little mountain in the middle, and this is something interesting that I test right now. You have some bag, some little ball in the bag. Typically what you can buy in a plant shop, you know, for the drain system. This is some piece of earth. Sorry, I don't know the English word, but you do some pot with that. You know, you burn and you cook this shape. So a lot of little sphere, and instead of trying to instead of letting the soil going inside, you just do some little bags. We do have 10 bags everywhere, 10 little bags, and it lets you to put the shape that you want behind, like the base of your hardscape. After that, I put the two driftwood on position. I played a little bit with this stone. This is a very nice stone that we clean as new, as you can see, and this is some ancient wood, fossilized. And maybe I could have worked a little bit more to put the stones really adopting, you know, the shape of the driftwood. But this is what I found, I come up with. After that, regarding the plant, so typically it's a good advice that you can find online, of course, meaning that when you are starting the tank, especially with just some soil, you will have a lot of nutriment released one shot at the beginning. And if you want to not get a tank full of algae, in fact you have to overload or to start very heavily planted. Okay, we will avoid to put so much stuff in the water at the beginning. We will let the soil just do its job. We have some CO2 with a new reactor from Aquamedic, this time directly integrated in the water system. You can see it here. This is some little bubble. Yeah. And we do have here this twin star. This is a Nano Plus, I guess. Typically up to 250 liters. In theory, supposedly helping, you know, to erase or limit propagation of algae. And after that, we change a little bit the tubing, but this is not at all the final shape and system. It's just that I don't have all of my material to build them as I wished. You have a first layer of carpet plant if they succeed to stay here. Not so sure. After that, you have some mid-range plant, I would say. In theory, exploding not so high. And after that, you have some quick fast growing plant over there. and on the left side. It's supposed to be a little piece of red here and here, and you have different sort of the same family of plant here that I'm pretty sure you know, and I forgot it. And here it will be a little bit more mixed, I would say. And if everything is going fine according to the plan, we will get two big part and bush of plant here and here, and we will try to keep a little view on this nice driftwood set up this way. Fishes are going well, as you can see. It was a bit harsh the way that I manage the moving session for them, but everybody is looking fine. Even the little fishes, if I can find them. We do have some juveniles, you know, of these guys, and one of them is really small. Too small, I think, that I can find it. So UV is started again. I just have to finish with a proper programming of the lamp, and accordingly to the lighting session of the day, the CO2 will automatically start and shut down. And I guess that's all. Curious to see how it will evolve. Sadly, I won't be there to manage it as you should be, I would say, because the first week you really have to monitor and eventually to do some water change quite often, once a week or twice a week, regarding what's going on, the reactivity of the plant, to the light, to the water parameter, and if the algae are not overtaking the plant. So that's all for the day. It was a long session, I can tell you, 6 hours, something like that, minimum. Little thought to the real aquascaper, you know, spending 1 or 2 days to prepare a tank and to set it up. When you just put the carpet during 1 hour, you can think and feel how complicated it can be. A real tank, a real aquascape to do. So, hope everything is going fine at your place. Ciao guys!